Lightning Thief by Rick Riordan. Percy Jackson is just a regular kid in New York. And he gets some news that he is the son of Poseidon. His math teacher, Mrs. Dodds, turns into a monster and attacks him. His Latin teacher throws him a sword, and he slashes the monster into dust. Percy kills the monster says, "You must return the lightning bolt that you have stolen." One of Hades' monsters attacks Percy, Grover, and his mother when they are entering the camp. The bolt takes his mother, but Percy soon enters the camp. Later on in the camp, Hades shows up. He shows Percy his mother and says, "If you want your mother back, you must return the lightning bolt by the summer solstice, or there will be a big war." Will Percy return the lightning bolt by the summer solstice? Find out when you read Percy Jackson, Book 1, The Lightning Thief.